Happy Tuesday, Zinger Nation. Who needs coffee when you can trade energy drinks? I'm your host Nick, and this is your TradeZing Daily News Flash. Move over coffee. Energy drinks are the new hot trend. Prime Energy, backed by Logan Paul and other influencers, has soared to over $250 million in sales since its 2022 debut. And speaking of energy, Monster Energy reported stellar earnings, sending its stock to near all-time highs. So, keep an eye on Celsius as they report after the bell today. Will energy drink stocks keep the buzz going? On to today's highlights. We're diving into the state of small businesses with Kevin O'Leary, Palantir's earnings report, and the Apple slide from Monday. Plus, invest smartly in places people live, shop, and eat. Discover the power of XSP for stable returns and an effortless way to protect your passions. Now, for the market update. In yesterday's action, all major indices painted the town green. The Dow led the way with a more than 4% surge, while the Nasdaq and S&P 500 ended their 4-day slides. Today, a red warning light blinks as futures trade lower following Moody's credit rating downgrade on select banks. Now, market events. On our radar, UPS, Eli Lilly, Fox, and more reported earnings this morning, so stay tuned as AMC, Upstart, Twilio, and others reveal their performance after the closing bell. Plus, US wholesale inventories data is due at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Shark Tank's Kevin O'Leary has sounded the alarm on a potential crisis in the US economy. O'Leary, no stranger to entrepreneurship, believes that despite data optimism, small businesses are far from content in the current economic climate. Rising interest rates and economic pressures are driving concerns, painting a different picture from the reported surge in small business optimism. The NFIB Small Business Optimism Index hit a 7-month high at 91 in June, though it is still below the 49-year average of 98. O'Leary, firmly rooted in the real world, shares that he's not seeing the same surge in optimism as some suggest. Now, invest where people live, shop, and eat. Lock in stability with First National Realty Partners, a trusted private investment firm. Their $2+ billion portfolio has achieved an impressive average 19% plus IRR on full cycle deals, providing an anchor in today's uncertain markets. Finally, on to Apple's stock slide. Apple's stock slide continues post-earnings report. What's the story behind the dip? And on a lighter note, remember the time The Simpsons mentioned Bitcoin? We'll reveal how much you'd have if you listened. That's a wrap for today's TradeZing Daily News Flash. Stay sharp, Zinger Nation, and remember, the markets never sleep.